Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a poster in Canva in 2024. So basically when you reach this site, this interface will open when you're successfully registered. So here we need to click on purple button, create a design here in the top right corner, and then we need to choose a size of our poster. For example, it will be an Instagram post, presentation, or whatever you want. I will stop on Instagram post, why not? It is square post, so all sides are equal to each other. So basically this edit poster interface will open, and here basically we need to create our poster. In the left side of the screen we have an option menu where we can choose design, and here are some templates that we can use and edit already. For example, I can choose this yellow template here and edit it as I want. For example, I can drag every picture here, delete pictures, whatever I want, but I will show you how to make a poster without any templates by yourself. So basically what should you do? We want to add a background for this poster. To do this we need to click on this blank space here and go to background color in the top left corner of this edit. So now we need to choose a color of our background here. For example, we can choose a solid color or gradient as you want, but I will choose a solid color. In my opinion, purple, it looks great. So next thing to do is I want to go to the elements option and choose an element that I want to add to my poster because it looks empty for now. For example, I want to add this square. What can I do with this square? I can make it wider, for example, and place it just right here. So it will make that cap, little cap, where I will place my text. So basically I want to recolor this square. I need to click on color here in the top side on the screen and then choose a color of this square. I will choose white because I think these two colors match very well, white and purple. I want to widen it just a little bit more, just simply drag on the one side to make it wider. So now I want to add a text for this poster. I need to simply click on text here in the left side menu and click on purple button here, add a text box. Then your text will add immediately, and here what I want to do, I need to simply type any text that I want. For example, I will type sale here because, for example, I want the sale poster to be. I can make the size a little bit more for the text be more catchy. So now I want to change the color of the text, not a color actually, but a font first of all. For example, I want this font. I think it looks great here. It looks catchy. And then I want to, you can make it italic or underline or whatever you want. You can add effects here. I think it is one of the most important features of the text. It will look great with some effects. For example, a lift effect make a little shadow in the background, and outline effect does his job very well too. You can play with it as long as you want. For example, I can choose this one or left it like this with a little shadow in the background. Yeah, basically I will left it like this. And what are we going to do next? For example, I want to make a poster of headphones selling. So I need to find headphones here. In the elements section, I can search for a headphones image. I need to simply type headphones, and here they are, headphones image. I need to choose a free one, but if you sell your product, of course you can use your image here. I will use just a 2D image, so I will place it right here, resize it a little bit, and that's basically it. Now we need to add one more text box. It will be a price of our headphones. For example, these headphones cost 300 bucks, and I will type just 300 bucks and then place this text right here in the middle of the poster. And then I want to change the color of this text by clicking text color here. I want to make it white with effects, for example outline, with a black outline. I need to choose it like here and change the thickness of this outline so it will look like this. But still this poster looks empty, and what I want here to do is I want to add some more elements. For example, I want to add an explosion because the sale is always good and it should be more eye-catching. So I will explosion there is a typo, explosion, and then I need to choose some free explosion graphics here. As you see, if you see a crown here, it means it's available only in pro version of Canva, and I will choose this free graphic and I will resize it and place it here, and then you can duplicate it by clicking this button. It will duplicate this big bank and you can place it right in the mirror of your first bank. So now it looks more eye-catching. Of course, this is a example and you can try harder on your poster, of course. Now it still looks empty, but you can play with it as much as you want. But for example, I will choose draw and draw some lines by myself. For example, I will choose a marker, then choose color white because I have purple white style here. And what I need to do now is change the thickness of this marker. For example, I want this thickness, and transparency, it means opacity of your drawings. For example, I will have 100% opacity and I can draw here like this. For example, I can draw some like, you know, lines here, so it will look more detailed. I don't know. Basically, you can do everything you want. You can add more details if you want. For example, here you can choose everything. For example, this line, I can add it right here. This arrow will show our price right here. Okay, that's basically it. That is how you can create a poster using Canva in 2024. And your final thing that you need to do is, of course, share your poster. To share your poster, you basically need to click on share icon on the top right corner of the screen here, and you need to download it to your device to basically do whatever you want, share whenever you want, and you can choose a file type that you want to share a poster. For example, you have a PNG suggested already, but you can use this PDF format, JPG format, everything you want. For example, I will use a PNG format, why not? And we need to click Save Downloaded Settings and just basically click on download. So yeah, this is basically how you can create a poster in Canva in 2024. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.